All right, guys, I'm doing another video for last week. This is update. I received the EM2 floor mats for my '03 Civic, and we got these in. So we're gonna put them in. You guys are gonna see it before and after. I have the other OEM or EM2 floor mats in there, so I'm swapping these out for the summer and spring. So we'll do an unboxing on it, and then we'll put them in the car. All right, guys, there they are. Let's pull them out. Let's see what they look like. Let's see if I can do this with one hand while I hold the camera. Whew. Oh, yeah. EM2, baby. EM2 floor mats. We got the red stitching. We're gonna put these in. Now they should fit. They're exactly for my car. I got these on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. They're for like 50 bucks. I like the EM2 down here so your foot don't get it all dirty and stuff. So I like the red stitching. Let's open it up. All right, camera focus. Come on, man, focus. All right, there they are. There's the EM2 floor mats. Woo, they're looking good. Now, I did pay for these. I wasn't sponsored or anything. I bought this with my own money. Like I said, 50 bucks. Got the red stitching right there. Got the EM2. So, yeah, we're going to switch these out. I'll show you before and after in my car. Let's go downstairs and switch these out right now. All right, guys. So, these are the old floor mats right here. The EM2s. They're hella old. But I don't like it right there because I'm putting my foot there and it just keeps wearing out. And on that side too, as you can tell, they're really dirty. We're not going to vacuum the car. I'll probably vacuum it tomorrow. We'll do another video vlog, continue this. But yeah, these are the old ones. They're out. The only thing about these mats is you get that from your foot. So eventually that mat's going to look like that. But it's okay. These are like 3 years old. So it's all good. Just get new mats for the, for the weather. Throw these away. Carpet's a little dirty. I kind of cleaned a little bit there, but it's okay. It's going to get detailed. So, got the red stitching on the back. That looks good. Oh yeah, these are going to look nice. This one goes over there. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time. He's gonna go right here. Let's try it. Woo, they fit like a glove. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to get this. I don't have the metal hooks right here. There's no metal hooks. So, dude, these fit good. It's a little, I just need to break them in a little bit. Yeah, it's a little off a little bit, as you guys can tell. But it's okay. They said they would fit my car, so. It's just the mats are kind of stiff. Yeah, it's just the mats are kind of stiff, so. Got to break them in. But when we put our foot in, we'll put our foot up here, and then I don't have to put my foot back there and get the EM2 all dirty. Sometimes I'll put like a clear piece of tape over it and it won't get all dirty. But yeah, they look pretty good. I mean, it fits good. See? Before, after. All right, this is the back. Let's put the back in here. Oh yeah. See, I don't have any in the back. I got to get this clean. Nobody really sits back here, but the backs don't say EM2. Hang on, I'm just trying to do this. Oh. All right, so there's like a crease in the middle, but you just fold these back here. Oh yeah, trying to get it in there. Also covers the we'll just have to move move the seat up a little bit. I gotta get my car clean. Look at that. I got food back there. All right, let's just, before we finish the back, let's do this. This is before, see? So people put their foot there and they get this all dirty. So, and yeah, my son puts his feet in there after from work, gets everything dirty. So this fits a little bit better. Yeah, it's just kind of stiff. But, you know, we kind of got to break them in a little bit. Oh, yeah. That looks clean. Let me slide this back a little bit. Here we go. Right there. Woo! Look at that. Whew. Only thing is someone puts their foot up, they're going to hit that. You know, if they put their foot back, they're going to hit that. So I might have to put a little clear piece of tape. I have some Scotch tape or some tape. Just put it right over it so when they put their foot on it, they don't get it all dirty. All right, let's check this out. Throw this away. Oh, there's my wipes. Yeah, we won't actually. We're gonna vacuum back here, so let's go get the vacuum and clean all this up. All right, so we're gonna, this is just dirt, but we're gonna clean all back here, clean all here, clean all here, clean here. My car's clean, but in crevices and stuff, so we need to just clean it up. All right, let's clean it up. I can't hold the phone and do it at the same time, so we're gonna have to shut the phone. And we're gonna clean this too. I got some stuff to clean all that. All right, we're gonna get it clean. We'll do it before and after. Okay, just hopefully this video records it this way. Clean the inside, just gotta clean these stains. All right, so we did clean these a little bit. They look a little bit better. The carpet, I don't have a steam cleaner, so I want to get one, but I have a friend who does detailing. That's from something I spilled. So we're gonna get these really clean stuff, but let's put the back mat in. Now that we have more room. The last part I shot, it didn't capture it, you know, long view. It made it like short. So it fits pretty good. It's a little bit, you know, it doesn't fit perfect, but yeah, it looks better. This part doesn't have a cover. And I need like an air nozzle to blow all that out. But yeah, let's see if we could just pull this a little more. But you know, they work. I don't even know if I should have those plastic things on. I don't even need them on. Yeah, see, they just, I wonder if I just take them off. They're just in the way. Oh yeah, they're just, yeah, but I'll just leave it on. Looks so much better. So this is before we cleaned all this. We cleaned it all. So, I mean, it fits good. Don't worry, we're gonna get all this black. We're gonna get all this done. So yeah, let's just remove it. I mean, they're tan. We'll just get rid of them. We don't need them. And I'll take the seats out and clean it all up. Yeah, they just look better without it. It's just to clean right here real quick. Let's clean that. Did a little bit. Yeah, we got a little bit. All right, finished touch. I'm gonna have a guy detail. I'm gonna have him do all the carpets in the back seat. Just do one section at a time. Mostly the carpets. Do the seats underneath. Gotta pull the seats out. It looked good. It came out good. Cleaned up a little bit. Got it clean right there, just a little bit. Yeah, it's my daily driver. By the way, I did vinyl plastic this right here, as you could tell. See right here, before and after. So I'm gonna do this whole arm. do this whole console right here, all this, rip this out, but I gotta take the seats off to do that. I did take the plastic covers off. I just don't need them. I'm gonna have to replace the seat belts because one of the seat belts is bad. I might have to put my airbag light on, so I'm just gonna swap them out, buy some black ones because these are really nasty and dirty. I could probably clean these real quick. So yeah, and then we'll go to the car wash tomorrow. Go to the car meet. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like them? It's just when you put your feet back here, you have to be careful so you don't get that because your feet will scuff that. It'll look like the old mats. These are the EM2. All right. All right, we're in the car. We're going to go get some food, but I think they look nice. The only thing is, like, my foot right here, you know, going like this, it's going to wear it out. But hey, it looks clean. Look at that. Ah, shit. It's okay. It's going to get dirty. It's going to get that. It's no big deal, but mostly you don't want to hit the EM2. That looks clean, dude. And it's got the red stitching. Woo! So we're going to go get some grub. I did buy new license plates too because the ones I had were totally warped. So I got all new plates for the car. This car's coming along. It's my little project. I really do want to get coilovers. That's going to happen. I found some. Have somebody will help me put them in. But yeah, it came out good. Painted this black. Yep. This is probably no good, but this right here, if you guys wondering what this is Focus. This is a Japanese air freshener. It doesn't last that long. It lasts about 3 weeks. I'll have to buy a new pack. You just take it off. Squash, I think it's called squash scent. It smells really good. It works really good, but for like 3 or 4 weeks, and then after that it just doesn't work anymore. But you could adjust it. You could adjust it right here, you know, and then you just put it up there and stick it there. It's been there for years, so if you want to get those are on eBay. I'll put that in the floor mats and stuff, and I'll put the vinyl spray if you guys want to do your interior. Just rule number 1, clean everything off and let it dry. It takes really, it doesn't you know, if it's still kind of wet, it's not wet, but it'll chip a little bit, like if you rub your finger against it. But once it's fully dry, yeah, you're good. See, I got this rubbing against it, nothing. So yeah, scratch test. Yeah, scratch test. I kind of worry, but yeah, it's good. All right, we're gonna go wash the car a little bit, get it cleaned. Damn, we got 194,000 miles. Put oil in the car a little bit, get the lights on. It's supposed to rain, but I'll be doing some video shots at the car meet, show you some cars and stuff. But yeah, I really like the floor mats. Look at that EM2. So yeah, we're gonna go hose it down, kind of clean the rims up, you know, get it ready. And then it's still dark outside, so yeah, we're gonna go. I know you guys are like, automatic, oh my god. I know, I get a lot of hate. But hey, like I said, this was the last car. It was an automatic VTEC. I'm okay with that. It's my daily driver. And you know, honestly, like at the car meet, like I see a lot of modified cars and I see automatic. I really do. Like, I'm like, oh shit, look at this Acura. And it's automatic. And there's more than I've seen. And actually, when I watch a lot of car videos, there's sticks, but there's also automatic. So I'm like, okay, cool. All right, let's go. Hey man, I gotta go up this hill. I don't know why my camera don't focus. Come on, bro. Jesus, probably because it's trying to focus on something. Well, it's not VTEC. So I did have this little clicking sound, and it was weird. It was making this clicking sound, like this little chirping sound. It doesn't do it anymore. This thing is so damn bright. Look how bright it is. I could turn it down though. All right, we're on our way to go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! VTEC! Still cold. That's why I did that. The car's cold. You gotta let it warm up a little bit. Car meet's right up there. I live so close to it. Alright guys, car's looking clean. Car's looking clean. Got new plates. Did the rims, tires. Oh yeah, it's looking good. That headlight is fogging up. Probably just because of the cold damper. I took the front plates off just so you can see it better, so I can wash it and get behind it. But it's looking clean. Yep, just need to lower it. Be all set. Might be switching out the headlights. They look more yellow on here on the phone, but they're kind of like, they're not super bad. I did paint that, made that more black. Focus camera. Yeah, I did paint that more black down there, so I got all the overspray. I just need to clean the bumper up more, and I need to clean the back up more. Got the OEM SI rims. Yeah, I need to repaint that whole bumper. But I do have this one problem. I have this chip problem right here. I need to sand all that down and paint it. Yep. Alright, we're gonna go to the car meet. Floor mat's still looking clean. Any dirt? It's just water. It's just water, a little dirt. It's not that bad. Alright. Alright, we're at the car meet. Look at this car. Whew. Clean. Ferrari. It's so damn good. 911 Turbo S. Damn, it's looking nice. Not a lot of people here, so I didn't really do a lot of filming. Maybe I'll just do something. Look at this beauty. Damn. I like the yellow. So damn good. Look at the engine on it. Oh, Tony. This is for you, buddy. Nissan 350Z. See, you could be here right now. He's got the hood release, bumper release, I mean. Alright, here's these babies. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Man. It's nice, huh? Little old hula girl. There's not a lot of people here because it's cold and it's supposed to rain. Yeah. Pontiac. Here's the. Jeez. Look at that battery. Man, it's clean. Clean.